Slick. Old boss hog. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Old Kels, and we're back with another video. Today we got this little car meet. It's pretty nice old schools out here. I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time, so let's get to it. All right, so that's a nice Chevy 3100. Pretty. This bad boy. It's nice.
3 inches off the surface clear of the grill.
Not exactly sure what this one is, but it's a work in progress. I think this is a Bel Air. I'm pretty sure it is. No, it might be a Cadillac. No, it's a Bel Air. Yeah. Pretty square body.
I saw the sticker.
Yeah, it is. Pretty ribby. I've never seen one. The headlights up. It's clean. Nice old Ford. Pretty. It's nice. Then we have all these lined up over here. Still going. See a lot of different cars. A lot of pretty cars. Chappelle. Come back over this side. Rebel, something, I don't know what that is. It's cool. Nice. Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am. Got the Mustang click. And those over there, and then you got your Impala and the OBS. This rat ride right here. It's pretty cool. Got a El Camino. Another Impala. I don't know if it got switches on it though. I said it's the OBS. I'm just over here closer to him. Falcon, Mustang, and the whole little Mustang crew over there. Got Impalas, Malibus. Not exactly sure what that is. Ford. Oh, a 41 Ford. Okay. Corvette. Over here. Got these. Sure what that is. It's cool though. Another Nova.
Probably for like
Camaro.
Probably for like, oh, I know.
Truck.
For like 5 minutes, they'll be back together.
You probably realize she's a shit show.
Yeah.
That's pretty. Ooh!
Look at that sexy
nice.
old bucket of rust over there.
Yeah, that thing over there, old red, looking good. I'm gonna have to give y'all a walk around.
It's so
Chris,
bad. That's what's on about stuff over there.
Chris has he's done a little few things to it, and it's looking good. He's still around, just so y'all know he's still alive and kicking it. He ain't gone too far yet, I don't guess. Got a few more things over here. A C4 and a C5 Corvette. What is this? I'm not sure, but I like it. It's cool. Suicide doors. Got the old Roadster, blown, small block. Got an old Chevy Biscayne. Pretty LS swap. Looks nice.
That's what's crazy about LS. They're just like a small block.
Nice, so LS swapped. Square body. Looks good. Got this one's bagged. Still got a small block. Yeah, still got a small block in it. Looks good. Didn't have to cut out his wheel wells.
Me too, buddy.
Clear that patina. Clear the patina.
Yeah.
Gosh, real nice. Just in case y'all were wondering, Chris drove this here. He's on the LS, swapped it. All kind of stuff. But, yep, old red is still kicking it. Looks good. Got us a multicolor square body here. And I'm not sure, that's probably a 9.6, but it's an Impala. Know that. Step side. Right here. Got us another one. Here. Look good though. Got us a couple more right here. In the old Cadillac. Looks nice. Alright, so we got a Camaro right here. IZ28. Man, tell me this thing don't look good. Can't even hate on it. All original. This right here belongs to my homie Brett. This thing is slick. Slick, slick, slick. All right, y'all, we gonna call this a video. I better hurry up before I get copyrighted. But as always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all next time.